introductory song. Now he gets into some more detail. Yeah, there's the introductory song about Sharanagati. And then after the introduction, Tatra Dao Dainyatmaka Nivedana. Then the next thing is Atmanivedana, or offering oneself in humility. So, translation of that, I just read the translation and then we can go through it tomorrow, Krishna willing, in more detail. Yeah, so in the songs he gets into more detail. Bhuliya tomare. Oh, actually, I have Prabhupada's translation here. Srila Prabhupada's purport of this song. This is a song sung by Bhaktivinoda Thakur as the surrendering process. We have heard so much about surrender. This is Srila Prabhupada's translation cum purport of this song. So here are some of the songs how one can make surrender. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that Bhuliya tomare samsari asya. My dear Lord, I have come to this material world by forgetting the Lord. And since I have come here, I have suffered so many troubles since a long, long time through different species of life. So therefore I have come to surrender unto you and submit unto you the story of my sufferings. First thing is that I had to live within the womb of my mother. Janani jotare, chilama jokon. When I was there, packed up in an airtight bag, hands and legs, I was staying within the womb of my mother. At that time I had a glimpse of you. After that time I could not see you. At that time I could see you a glimpse. At that time I thought, Tokana bhavino, janama paya. I thought that this time when I get out of this room, I shall surely engage 100% in the service of the Lord, worshipping the Lord. No more this repetition of birth and death is so troublesome. Now I shall engage. This birth I shall engage myself simply on devotional service to get out of this Maya. But unfortunately, exactly after my birth, Janama hoilo pori Maya jale na hoilo jnana loba. As soon as I got out of the womb, immediately Maya, the illusory energy, captured me, and I forgot that I was in such a precarious condition. And I was crying and praying to the Lord that this time I shall get out and engage myself in devotional service. But all these senses were lost as soon as I took my birth. Then the next stage is adorer chele, shajanera kole. Then I became a very pet child and everyone is taking me on the lap. And I thought, life is very nice. Everyone loves me. Then I thought, this material life is very good. Adorer chele, shajanera kole, hashia katanu kao. Because there is no trouble. As soon as I'm in a little difficulty, everyone comes forward to give me relief. So I thought my life will go on like this. So I simply wasted my time simply by smiling. And that smiling became attractive to my relatives, and they patted me. I thought, this is the life. Janaki. Janaka janani snehete bhuliya samsare lagilo. At that time, a great deal of affection of parents. So I thought material life is very nice. Krame dinodin, balaka hoya kelinu balaka shoha. Then gradually I grew up and I began to play with my childhood friends. And it was a very nice life. And after some days when I was a little intelligent, then I was put into school. So I began to study very seriously. Then after that, Bidara Gaurave Brahme Deshe Deshe Dhana Uparjana Kari. Then being puffed up, Bhaktivinoda Thakur was a magistrate. So he was transferred from one place to another. he is stating his life that Vidyara Gaurabe, because I was a little educated, so I was posted and I was earning decently, so I was thinking, it is very nice. Vidyara Gaurabe Brahme Deshe Deshe Dhana Uparjana Kari. Shajana Palan Kari Ekamone. And my only duty was how to maintain, how to raise family members, how to keep them happy. That became my only aims and object of life. Bardoke Ekon Bhaktivinoda. Now Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his old age, Kandiya Katora Oti. Now I am seeing that I will have to give up all this arrangement. I will have to go away and take another body. Therefore I do not know what kind of body I am going to get. Therefore I am crying. I am very much aggrieved. Bardoke Ekon Bhaktivinoda Kandiya Katora Oti. I am very much aggrieved. Na bhajiya tore, dinabrit ho gelo, ekon aki. So without worshipping you, without serving you, I have simply wasted my time in this way. I do not know what to do. Therefore I surrender. So we'll sing this Bhuliya tomare. See if I get the right pitch. I can hear it in my mind what to sing, the right pitch, but I'm having difficulty coordinating my windpipe with the brain. Bhuliya tomare, that's too high. Bhuliya tomare samsare ashiya peyena na bidha betha. 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 Tomara charane ashiya chiyami. Tomara charane ashiya chiyami. Tomara charane ashiya chiyami. Bolibo dukhera kotha. Bolibo dukhera kotha. জননী জঠরে ছিলাম যখন বিষম বন্ধন ফাঁসে। জননী জঠরে ছিলাম যখন বিষম বন্ধন পাশে। একবার প্রভু দেখিয়া একবার প্রভু দেখ দিয়া মরে। একবার প্রভু দেখ দিয়া মরে। বঞ্চিলে এই দিন দাসে। বঞ্চিলে এই দিন দাসে। তখন ভাবিনু জনম পাইয়া করিব ভজন তবা। Jana bhavinu janama paiya karibo bhajana tava. Janama hoilo pariya Janama hoilo parimaya jale Janama hoilo parimaya jale Na hoilo gyana laba Na hoilo gyana laba Adorera chele sajane kole Hashiya katanuka Adorera chele sajanera kole Hashiya katanuka Janaka janani snehete bhuliya Janaka janani snehete bhuliya Samsara lagilo bhalo Samsara lagilo bhalo Krame dina dina balaka hoya Khelino bhalaka shaha Krame dina dina balaka hoya Khelino balaka shaha Ar kichu dine gyana upajilo Ar kichu dine gyana upajilo At pari aharaha At pari aharaha Vidara gaurabe bhami deshe deshe dhana uparjana kari Vidara gaurabe bhame deshe deshe dhana uparjana kari Sajana palana kariye kamane Sajana palana kariye kamane Bhulinu tomare hari Bhulinu tomare hari Padoke ekon Bhaktivinoda Kandiya katora oti. Padoke ekon Bhaktivinoda Kandiya katora oti. Na bhajiya thore din britha gelo. Na bhajiya thore din britha gelo. Ekona ki hobe gati. Ekona ki hobe gati. Na bhajiya thore din britha gelo. Na bhajiya thore din britha gelo. Ekona ki hobe gati. Ekona ki hobe gati. Ki hobe gati. With this question mark, Bhaktivinoda finishes the song. Now what is my destination? And we'll pray for the mercy of Srila Bhaktivinoda that we can discuss this further tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Yeah, okay, one question. Probably a lot of this we're going to discuss so many things. It'll come up.
Prabhupada Saraswati is praying that he sees the whole world is full of happiness.
Yeah, Vishvam Purna Sukhayate, Prabodhananda said. But Thakur also says that in another song. Amade Vedantu Pade Karo Hoinu Parama Sukhi Dukha Dure Gelo Chintana Rahelo Chodike, what is it? Chodike Ananda Deki. So he says the same thing. Vaishnavera Kriya Mudra Bidgeho Nabhujoy. Yeah, don't bring too much reasoning to understand all this. Even understanding, there's feeling. Songs are expressing the feelings of the Acharya. So it's not that it's devoid of philosophy, but it's to be felt. Not rationalized about so much. Hare Krishna.